In this video, we're about to reveal 14 unique machines you can snag on AliExpress for under $1,000, each one perfect for kickstarting your very own business empire. Ready to uncover some exciting opportunities? Let's dive right in. Machine number 1. The Fruit Dehydrator Machine, available for around $300 on AliExpress. This incredible device lets you preserve fruits, vegetables, and even herbs by removing their moisture content, significantly extending their shelf life. Imagine the possibilities. You could create and sell healthy snacks, offer a variety of dried fruits, or even launch your own brand of fruit jerky. With the rising trend towards healthy eating, the demand for these products is skyrocketing. This machine isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in a potentially profitable business venture. Machine number 2. The Teabag Making Machine, priced at around $800. If you're a tea enthusiast, this machine can help you turn your passion into a profitable business. Create custom tea blends and package them in unique tea bags. The specialty tea market is booming as consumers seek high-quality and unique tea experiences. From herbal blends to artisanal teas, this industry offers numerous exciting niches to explore. Machine number 3. The Screen Printing Machine, priced around $900. This machine allows you to print custom designs on apparel, accessories, and promotional items. With the surge in demand for custom merchandise and branded products, starting a screen printing business can be incredibly lucrative. Offer personalized t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and more. Collaborate with local businesses and events to expand your customer base and grow your brand. Machine number 4. The Pellet Making Machine. Next up, we have the Pellet Making Machine, which you can get for around $900. This powerful device allows you to convert biomass materials into fuel pellets or animal feed. It's an eco-friendly and profitable option, perfect for those passionate about sustainable agriculture. With environmental concerns driving up demand for biomass pellets, this machine offers a fantastic opportunity to tap into a growing market while promoting sustainability. Machine number 5 is the 3D printer. 3D printing technology has truly revolutionized various industries. With a 3D printer, you can create prototypes, custom products, and even intricate art pieces. The versatility of 3D printing opens up endless opportunities in manufacturing, customization, and innovation. Whether you're interested in producing unique collectibles or offering rapid prototyping services, a 3D printer can be a game changer for your business. Machine number 6, the Laser Engraver Machine, which you can find for around $200. Personalization is king in today's market. This machine allows you to engrave intricate designs on various materials, opening up endless opportunities in the gift and customization industry. From personalized gifts to promotional items, the potential applications for laser engraving are vast, making it a versatile and exciting business idea. Machine number 7. The Soap Making Machine. Consider the Soap Making Machine, available for around $400 to kickstart your own soap-making business. This machine simplifies the soap production process, enabling you to create unique, high-quality soaps with ease. Experiment with various scents, colors, and ingredients to develop an appealing product line. Additionally, you can offer soap-making workshops to teach others the art of soap crafting. Using sustainable and natural ingredients in your soaps can attract environmentally conscious consumers and set your business apart. Machine number 8, the Bubble Teacup Machine, which you can snag for around $250. Bubble tea is taking the world by storm, and with this machine, you can jump into this booming market. Create custom-designed cups and containers for your drinks, giving your brand a unique edge. The customization factor will help you stand out in a crowded market and attract a loyal customer base. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great business ideas. Machine number 9, the Tattoo Removal Machine, available for about $355. Tattoo removal services are in high demand, and this portable device can help you start a tattoo removal business right from your home. It's a valuable addition to the beauty and skincare industry, where clients often seek ways to remove or correct tattoos. Just remember, proper training and certification are essential to ensure success and safety in this business. Machine number 10, the key cutting machine. Let's shift gears to the key cutting machine, priced at approximately $700. In the locksmith business, having the right equipment is crucial. With this machine, you can offer key cutting and duplication services, helping people in your community while making a profit. Locksmith services are always in demand, whether for residential, commercial, or automotive needs. Building a reliable reputation is key to success in this field. Machine number 11, the candle making machine, available for approximately $800. With the rising demand for handmade and scented candles, this machine can help you efficiently create beautiful, unique candles. Experiment with different wax types, colors, and fragrances to develop your signature candle line. Candles are perfect gifts and home decor items, offering a profitable avenue for creative entrepreneurs to explore. Machine number 12, the vinyl cutting machine, which you can get for around $600. Whether you're looking to create custom stickers, decals, or apparel, this machine has you covered. Starting a vinyl cutting business can be both fun and profitable. The customization possibilities are virtually limitless, from crafting unique apparel designs to offering vinyl decal services for businesses and individuals. Let your creativity shine and watch your business grow. So there you have it, machines from AliExpress, all under $1,000, that can help you start a business and make money. Remember, success hinges on your dedication, creativity, and market research. Which machine caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting business ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.